When Warthog Defense reported in the previous video about the Ukrainian sea drone attack in Russian port of Novorossiysk, we were already suspecting that something is different, and here we have the reason why. The Russian regime first triumphantly claimed that the attack was repelled, but here we have footage of a heavily damaged Ropucha-class landing ship, possibly the Olenigorsky Gornyak. She has heavy lists to her port side. It is sinking while it is being towed. Another video appeared of the Russian landing ship Olenigorsky Gornyak that was damaged by a surface drone.
Посмотрим, если боком зайдет, что там.
Он каждый раз, когда они его тянут, он накреняется.
What do you guys think? Will it make it to the harbor or will it sink before? And here is the footage of the Ukrainian USV hitting the Russian ship. The attacked ship Olenigorsky Gornyak is a large landing ship of the Russian Northern Fleet. It may have been brought into the Black Sea to strengthen enemy assault and landing groups. According to data from open sources, the ship could be armed with 2 twin 57mm AK-725 artillery mounts, 2 launchers of the A-215 Grad MMLRS, 4 launchers of the Strela 2 portable air defense system. It can carry up to 500 tons of equipment and cargo. Morning news on Russian TV. All attacks have been fought off. No casualties. And everything is fine. This is traditional Russian pattern in such situations. Reminder, when Moskva cruiser was sunk on April 14, 2022, Russian authorities first denied what happened, then called the sinking of the ship a consequence of technical malfunctions and fire. Tapir-class landing ship Saratov was destroyed in Berdyansk on March 24, 2022. In July 2022, authorities said Saratov was scuttled by the crew to prevent the detonation of the ammunition and towed to Kerch for repairs. The remains of the vessel were eventually sawed for metal. June 17, 2022, small landing ships, tugboat Vasily Bek, minesweeper Ivan Golubets were sunk, which was also denied by the Russian authorities. It will be interesting to see their morning news when Ukraine deoccupies Crimea.
ВСУ предприняли очередную попытку нападения на объекты России. Как сообщили в Минобороны, этой ночью 2 морских дрона атаковали военно-морскую базу в Новороссийске. Безэкипажные катера уничтожены огнем из штатного вооружения кораблей, которые выполняли задачи по охране внешнего рейда. Установлен временный запрет на движение судов у Новороссийска. Это уже информация Каспийского трубопроводного консорциума. Он занимается отгрузкой нефти. Там уточнили, что объекты предприятия не повреждены, все работает штатно. События прокомментировали и власти региона. По словам губернатора, жертв разрушений после атаки морских беспилотников нет. Еще одна атака ВСУ была пресечена этой ночью в Крыму. Как сообщили в Минобороны, российские силы ПВО сбили 10 беспилотников, еще 3 подавлены средствами радиоэлектронной борьбы. Никто не пострадал, разрушений нет.
The successful attack by maritime drones of the Russian landing ship in Novorossiysk Bay is an outstanding operation that seriously changes the situation in the Black Sea. Despite enhanced security measures at its largest naval base and largest commercial port, the Russian Navy is unable to defend itself against attacks by Ukrainian maritime drones. The drones have demonstrated outstanding technical characteristics. To plan an attack on Novorossiysk, you need a drone with a range of more than 1,000 kilometers and a high-quality control system. All of this was done literally from scratch, as Ukraine had not developed such weapons before the Russian invasion. Russia has effectively blocked Ukraine's maritime trade by attacking ports and ships in Ukrainian waters, stealing and exporting Ukrainian grain and metal. And now Ukraine has the capabilities to respond symmetrically. Russian ships and maritime trade are a legitimate target for Ukrainian retaliation, not only in the Black Sea but also far beyond the Black Sea. Russian ships and vessels can no longer feel safe anywhere. Partisans lit up the railway echelon of the occupiers in Sevastopol. At the Simferopol-Vantajny railway station, the participants of the Atesh partisan movement noticed a railway echelon of the occupiers heading north. The warehouse transports the Tunguska anti-aircraft missile defense system, armored personnel carriers, fuel tankers, and other military equipment. Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu is inspecting the captured CV-9040C. The man looks like he had never seen such modern equipment before. While he looks very important now, that was not the case when he ran from Rostov in panic, before the incoming Wagner units and Prigozhin.
Вот этот единственное выдержал по проекции, многослойная броня, лобовая. После этого удара он отвернул, ему бог дали. Простой РПГ, дешевый. Старым дедовским способом машинистов. Особенно, что ключей и запчастей там для ремонта нет, зато есть что-то габарит аварийной остановки. Единственный плюс здесь шрапнельный, осколочно-фугасный и подкалиберный. Разный, но количество мало.
The Latvian army is testing its combat readiness right next to the border with Belarus. If the Wagner group tries anything stupid, Poland, Lithuania, and Latvia will stand together.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.